Of data engineering, there are unspoken principles that govern the way we work. 1. Once established in the production environment, a table is eternal. Whether it's actively used or not, it's destined to stay indefinitely. 2. The data platform that seems straightforward to you will invariably be perceived as the most intricate system by a newcomer to the team. 3. Adequate preparation for a data warehouse transition or database migration is a myth. One can never be fully prepared. 4. The mystery of why the costs of a paid vendor tool escalate far beyond its original affordable proposition is one that often remains unsolved. 5. The notion of data engineers operating in isolation is a fallacy. True isolation implies a lack of work, which, in the realm of data engineering, is a rarity. 6. The curse of legacy systems. You will inevitably inherit systems built with older technologies, undocumented assumptions, and knowledge lost to time. Adaptability and careful reverse engineering are vital.